What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up karaoke with your Go Party 6 portable LED speaker. Now on top of all these different inputs, we can also connect our smartphone or tablet to the speaker through Bluetooth. To do that, I'm going to make sure that my speaker is set to Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth. I'm going to go into the Bluetooth settings of my smartphone or tablet, search for the device that reads Go Party 6, click on it to pair, and you'll hear that sound letting you know your device is connected. Now if we take a look at the top of the speaker, you'll see we have two 1/4-inch microphone inputs so we can connect two microphones to the speaker. To demonstrate, I have my microphone and a female XLR to 1/4-inch cable. So I'm going to plug the XLR end into my microphone, then plug the 1/4-inch end into either of the microphone inputs. For today, we're going to use mic input 1. From here, we can raise the mic volume by pressing the mic volume plus button here. Then we can raise the volume wheel to adjust the overall volume. So now if I turn on my microphone, you should be able to hear my voice coming out of the speaker. What's also really cool is the echo buttons here, so we can give our voice an echo effect. So I can use these buttons to adjust how much echo I want on my voice. And now if I talk into the mic, you'll hear the echo effect. Now this makes for a great karaoke setup since we can connect one or two microphones into the speaker, connect our smartphone or tablet through Bluetooth, go into the YouTube app and search for any karaoke version of a song, and have the music play through the speakers while we're singing along to the lyrics. Hey now, you're an all-star, get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star, get the show on, get paid. All that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold, yeah! So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up karaoke with your Go Party 6 portable LED speaker. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.